You tired of watching all the other TikTokers make money on TikTok with the creator program and the TikTok shop program? Are you tired of that? Are you tired of waiting to get 10,000 followers or 5,000 followers just to make money on TikTok? Well, your prayers are being answered right now, because I found this great app. It's called Flipp, and what Flipp is an app. It's pretty much an e-commerce app where you are paid to...
It is said the more oily you go to bed, the more beautiful
videos, and with money that you can use to shop in their store. So as you watch videos, you accrue money that you can use to buy stuff in their store. But don't leave yet, because these things that you buy in the store, you use them to make reviews. So when you make reviews on these items, anything you choose in this whole entire website, then you can get paid to do reviews on the items that are in this website. So that's the first part of this. You literally go scrolling, and as you scroll,
it is said the more
with the money that you get, you use them to buy items. Now, if you look up on the right hand side corner there, that's the money that I've made just from scrolling alone. So once you're done doing that, when you scroll and you decide that you want to take your money and order some things, or one thing, even something that's as low as 82 cents. But right now I have in my cart over $115 worth of products, and I have $60 off of it right now, because they take a percentage of what you have scrolled for and put it towards your account balance. So when I go to checkout, I'm only going to have to pay $58.35. That's pretty much half off. So all these items so far I have in my cart. When I'm ready, I'm going to go ahead and buy these items. So that's one part of it. You scroll, you make money, then you come over here and you apply your earnings to things you want to buy. And then when you get those things, you can go ahead and review those items, and you'll make affiliate commissions off of those items. You don't need to have 5,000 followers to do that like you do on TikTok. 5,000 followers just to be in their TikTok shop program. You don't need that here. You can have absolutely 0 followers. As soon as I order my product, I can go to work and just make reviews, and anyone can come and buy from me. So if you see here, this advertising, whatever she's advertising,
because I did.
So
I really need to get
on these type of videos where there's an actual product, you click here where they have the green button, and you can either go to the store and review and look at what's going on, and you can get more information about it and see other videos about it, other reviews, and you can put it in your cart. You also can heart it and put it on your wish list, which is called my desires list, which is really crazy, because you have a desires list. Your desires list your desire is pretty much everyone can see your desires list. And what that means is anyone can come in and buy something off your desires list and send it to you. People are literally buying strangers off their desires list. That's the type of things that go on in this app. So like I said, that's
another day or two out of this
doing.
And so
the moment that you actually make your order, the absolute moment you make your order. Now you can't post anything until you order something. And like I said, I showed you, they have things on here at 82 cents. This lip gloss right here. You can easily just buy this lip gloss, and that's all you need. And then you can go ahead and review it and then get paid for that. But at any rate, once I purchase my products, the moment I purchase, I can start posting. And that doesn't mean just reviews. You could post anything. You could post your old TikTok videos. As long as you take the watermark, I suggest you pick the watermark off. But if you could post your old TikTok videos, those videos that you've been trying to work so hard to get all the followers for, no, you can post them here. And guess what happens? You get paid to post your videos. You literally get paid. I'm not talking about reviews. I'm talking about just put up a video and you get paid for people to watch it. Just the way I'm watching and getting paid for views when I do it. Well, your videos get paid just like when you're in TikTok after you get 100,000 or 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in 30 days. Just like that, you get paid in, I guess, their creator program. Well, here they have a creator program too. But guess what? You don't need any followers to get paid. All you need is you have to pay to play. You go ahead and buy yourself something that you need. Make sure when you buy something that you need or you want, something you're going to use, because you're going to use these products and you're going to make the videos. But like I said, people are going to buy from you. But not only that, you're also going to get the creator fund from the videos, plus people will buy from you. And then you can bring your random videos over or make new videos and bring them over, and you can literally just get paid for views right on the jump, right on your first day with not near one follower. Do you hear what I'm saying to you right now? This app is great. I love this app. I'm really feeling this app. So I suggest, if you guys are interested to get in this thing, I think you should go ahead and do it before it gets flooded. It's going to get flooded. So right here, I don't have any flips because, like I said, I have to go ahead and order my little bit of product, which I'm going to do. This talks about my account, and then it's just dope. Oh, you also can refer friends and you can get right now it's $40, I think, for friends. So when that friend goes ahead and orders something, why would you not order something? Then you'll get that amount of money will go into your wallet up here. You see the wallet? So right now you see I have 0 in creator earnings. That's because I haven't done any videos yet. And it's pretty much, this is going to be your dashboard where you can get all your stats, right? And there's all type of incentives here too. They even have this thing where they have different levels. And if you get to a level like silver or bronze or somewhere is that at, you get Owner House items. And also Owner House items, I guess, I'm not sure how you get them, but right now I could get Owner House items, which are free items that you can add to your order. But also the different levels, you get 50 cents on, if I'm right now, I'm silver. So when I order something, every dollar I spend, I'm going to get 50 cents per dollar. So like I said, in order to change your status here, you have to hit these milestones, see? So I'm going to be starting up my posting very soon, and I'm super excited about it. And that's it. I jump on this before it gets saturated. As you see, that's my available rewards. So the rewards, again, it goes toward, as you can see, get paid to scroll. Earn cash rewards as you scroll. Watch videos and earn 0.48 cents for every 10 videos you watch. Now, these numbers kind of change too. When you first come in, that number, when I first came in, that number was $1 and something every 10. So I think the longer you're in, the more money you make or something like that, it kind of goes down. But still in all, are you getting any money to watch any videos anywhere? So I just wanted to tell you guys about my favorite app, and that you don't need to have any followers at all to make money. You don't have to, no more having to wait to get 10,000 followers and 100,000 views and 5,000 followers just to be an affiliate. How TikTok gonna make us get 5,000 followers just to be an affiliate? You could be an affiliate anywhere. You do know there's websites like ClickBank. You can literally be an affiliate for free. But the thing about this thing, it keeps it all in house. Everything is right here, and it's just a great app. I'm really loving it. It's just like TikTok 2.0. So go ahead and check my description, because I'm gonna leave the link down there. So you could just sign up, and it's free. You don't have to buy anything. If you just want to go and just scroll and just make the rewards balance and just buy things on discount, that's totally up to you. And by the way, the videos are very engaging. The videos that's on here, it's not like some random cheap crazy looking videos. They're all very interesting, and the personalities on here are really nice. Everybody is on this app, they're nice. It's not a lot of drama here on this app. So that's all I'm going to say, guys. Get on it. Don't miss this opportunity, because like I said, everyone's going to get on this thing and blow it out the window, because there's professional, really good content creators that haven't heard about this. The TikTok people, anyway, let's not get political, but that's all, guys. Go ahead and hop on Flip. It won't hurt you to do that. It's free, and just go and check it out and see how you like it, and make this money with me. Make this money. All right, I'm out.